Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin 24/7. I know it's been a minute, but I was in the process of building this Hackintosh, so my videos are going to start to look a whole lot better. I've got a 30-day trial of Final Cut Pro to tide me over until I actually get my student copy of the entire Apple suite. So basically, they bundle all the video apps for $199, which is a great deal. But I wanted to go ahead and give you an update. I started all of my investments about August 24th. It's now October, let's see, 21st, 22nd when I'm making this video. So I wanted to give you kind of, an update. Sorry, it's actually October the 16th, but here we are. Everything has been going well. Starting with wired coins. Now, I actually forgot all about wired coins basically because for a while it seemed the site was down or the site had issues. I don't really know what the deal was, but you can see I registered on the 24th of August, and basically this is what I've been making about. 0.03 was my deposit, and total earnings I've earned 0.05 Bitcoin. So let's do a calculation. So basically I'll go to CoinDesk and let's just say let's go back to wired coins. I'm just going to paste this amount in. This is probably one of my smaller investments. So right now in the current market, it's about 300 bucks. Let's see what I actually, what my deposit was. Deposit was, let's see, my initial deposit was about 176. So I've broken even now. I'm not putting real strong stock in wired coins. I'm actually kind of cautious about it. I've heard people having problems with withdrawals. And I've not tried to withdraw anything, so I'm just keeping it here. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, that's upsetting, but I said this HYIP, or this high yield investment program, is risky. Now, one of my more stable ones, of course, is Bitconnect. Bitconnect's probably been one of my most stable investment platforms. So basically, let me just give you a quick overview. Like I said, it's been about 2 months, and this is what I've made. I made about $840 off of my Bitconnect platform, with a total investment of about $2,000. Now, a large part of this was actually starting with the $1,000 investment and just letting that capital reinvest. You can see I've been, I reinvest daily, or sometimes I let the money get up to maybe $100 or 30 bucks. I think this one I waited, almost like 2 weeks. I didn't even touch it. I said, let me do an experiment. Let me just, invest when it got to 300 bucks. So I did that. So basically, I've been pretty happy with Bitconnect, and Bitconnect now is it's been doing very good. It's actually was trading at around $190. When I got into Bitconnect, it was trading at about, I think, one Bitconnect coin was about 90 bucks. So this past month there's been lots of fluctuation, lots of crazy stuff from China. So a whole lot of stuff's been going on with Bitconnect. It's still being traded actively on the different exchanges, so I'm happy to see that. Bitcoin's price continues to rise, and you can see that same rise going on with the Bitconnect token. So like I said, I've been very happy. You can see I've got about 32 bucks and 35 cents in my lending wallet. I'm gonna let that increase probably to about maybe 300 bucks. And I'm gonna take that 300 bucks, and I'm debating if I should put that in my cloud mining, or if I should, put that in a different thing, like maybe Bit Petite. Let me show you about Bit Petite. So this is basically the tumbling service that I had mentioned last time. I put in about 300 bucks, and I chose a 6-week investment plan, and it's currently paying 4.5%. I've made about 145 bucks from the investment, so I should break even around the 13th of November. So I've been pretty happy with that. And you can see basically I chose to do half of it in Ethereum and half of it in Bitcoin. So basically I made the majority of my money through the Bitcoin investment. Let me go to the Ethereum again. Yeah, so basically this is what I got going on right now. So September 30th, 134, $215, and then 0.28 Ethereum, again right at the same time. So that comes to about 300, $1 US. So I've been, like I said, I've been pretty happy with that investment. So I think I might just roll over my Bitconnect wallet into that and just lock in the 4.5%. Or I could also, invest more in my HashFlare. My HashFlare is my cloud mining account. So with this one, I put in $600 with this account, and when I first got in, my revenue forecast was supposed to be about $2,000. But what I've been doing with the HashFlare is every time I get enough money, I get the HashFlare program to just reinvest. So basically, that's all I'm doing. I'm just reinvesting every single thing I got in there. So you can see it's been going pretty well, I've been very happy with that. And you can see here's where I've been reinvesting almost daily. So basically, every day I make some money, and this amount is currently reinvested. So I'm making, some pretty good money daily just from this cloud mining effort, and just basically, reinvesting, buying more terahashes, and I'm just gonna let that sit probably, for a year. Let's see how big it can go. Now, this contract I purchased, I think it's up to 2 years. I'm not quite sure on that, but I'm gonna keep on letting it ride. I think Bitcoin will probably get to maybe $10,000 maybe within the end of the year. Lots of folks are saying more, but right now it's at about $5,900. There's nothing that I can see that's going to make it go down in the short term. What else do I got to show you? So basically I showed that. Oh, one more program that again I'm kind of iffy about is Regal Coin right now. Lots of folks were hot for it, and it seems to be, going well, but there's a couple of caveats that I want to show you, and let me show you that right now. So basically, this is what's going on with my Regal Coin investment. Now, some are saying that Regal Coin was the new Bitconnect 2.0. It's supposed to be a newer, better, faster version of Bitconnect, and I got in maybe, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. It's hard to say now, but basically I've lent out about $360. I've earned from that loan about $48.50. Now this is pretty good, and their daily payouts tend to hover more than Bitconnect, so which is why I'm on board with the Regal Coin. But again, I've heard, some folks have had some problems. Let me show you what these notifications are. So basically, for a while, they were saying, some of the withdrawals were not working, or they were trying to lock it down because they had to register 20,000 members in just 3 days. And the price of Regal Coin was at, what, 30 bucks? When I got into it, the price was 12 bucks. And even then, I felt like I overpaid. So I've been pretty happy with this Regal coin investment. But like I said, buyer beware. I'm still learning the interface. In fact, let me see if I can lend yet. What I've been wanting to do is seeing if I can lend, from lend straight from Regal coin. Now they make you do it in a $100 increment. So let me just even see. It says I got 0.53 Regal coins. So no, I don't. You can invest in cash, but you can't straight invest from the Regal coin platform itself. So again, they've got some growing pains to still to do. So there's a ways to go for me to work with this, but I've been pretty happy. So in total, let's see, I've probably invested about 3,000 in total. Again, a whole lot of that has just been through making interest, reinvesting that daily, on some just letting it sit on autopilot. So I've been pretty happy. I'm going to keep investing in Bitconnect. It's been pretty awesome so far, I have to say. But just making money, every day, making money. In fact, let me show you how I'm doing it. Basically, I just go to my lending wallet, and you can see here's how much I get paid every day. I've got lots of different transactions going on. So again, yeah, it looks like I reinvested on the 14th. About $10 there. That was to get me to 2,000, I think. Yeah. And then basically, you can see, I've been paid out, paid out. So every day, again, my biggest amount of money is, it was that 1,010 investment, and if you put in 1,010 with Bitconnect, they're going to add a 0.10 interest daily. So on all these other ones, you see I'm getting 1.24%. On the 1,010, I get the extra 0.10, brings it to 13.53%. So again, I've been pretty happy. I'm making money while I sleep with these platforms. Let me show you what. Yeah, let's see what it's gonna pay out for the next couple of days. So this has been basically what it's been looking like. 1.23%. 0.03, that was a low day. And that's the thing with Bitconnect. There are some days where you just really don't make all that much money. But I've been, pretty happy with it. I'm still making money. Like I said, I've made about $843 so far off it. And again, a whole large part of that has just been reinvesting. So it's not me actively buying Bitcoin and then converting it to Bitconnect and then Bitconnect and then lending it. It's just, I got this process rolling. It's just been going good. So let me show you what it would look like. So basically, let's say 2,000. This is the average term length. That's about 299 days. Calculate. Again, it says this is what my expected profit is, $6,159. Again, highly volatile. So skeptics, put your hat on. Like I said, the whole time I've been saying only afford what you can afford to pull out. So basically, the thing with Bitconnect is that I could pull out my money every day. I could, take it from my lending wallet, which is the interest, transfer it to my Bitconnect wallet, and then straight back to my Bitcoin, again, where I can convert that into fiat currency. So all in all, I've been pretty happy with it. YouTube's been going good. I've got 10,000 views now, so I can now monetize my YouTube channel. So I hope to get a couple pennies from that every month. That's that's money I can use to improve the channel and keep informing more people about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency revolution. Like I said, right now I have weekly purchases of Bitcoin and Ethereum straight up from Coinbase. So like I said, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, and I can't wait to see where this platform goes. Peace. Bitcoin 24/7 out.